go. Oh God, that was loud. The clouds are moving so fast right now. I don't think I've ever seen them move this fast before. Kind of scary. They're really moving. And they don't look like they're moving as fast on the video, but they are moving fast. Oh, it's like you're surrounded by all these trees. Oh, it's so beautiful. Until you have a hurricane. That one is just going right into our house. That's not going to be good. Okay, couldn't it be turning a different way? Because that is a very, very big tree. Not bad, but very big. Okay.